What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We do a lot of unboxings here and we hang out and play with a lot of makeup. So today is one of those unboxing days. As you can see from the title, we are unboxing my August Look Fantastic box. So this is a subscription box that cost me $20.50 Canadian with shipping. It is primarily skincare. I've got a few makeup items in here as well. However, for the most part, it is skincare. I will leave it linked down below, and I will leave last month's box linked here as well, so you can check that out. So like I said, it's a beauty subscription box. It comes in one of these boxes every month, and this is like my favorite subscription box to get. Even when I did my no buy month last month where I didn't get any subscriptions, I still got this one. So I do love this box. So let's just dive on in and see what the message is. So every week there is always, no, every month there is a different message. So this time it is sunshine is the best medicine, and then it has their hashtag, which is LF Beauty Box. So this month it did come with a coupon. I've got a couple coupons for food subscriptions, so basically you pick your meals. I've never tried one before. I might try this one though. I haven't really thought. Actually, I think this is from the UK, so that's another thing. This subscription box is a European subscription box, but we have access to it here in Canada, so all the prices are non-Canadian. It always comes with a book, and it always gives you like some sneak peeks and a lot of information on the product, so I'm just gonna set that right here in front of me. And the other fun thing about this subscription is that it comes with a magazine, and you really don't see magazines anymore. Like even like when you go to the grocery store, and I just don't look at them like I used to, because magazines used to be like our lifeline. Like this was like social media back in the day, I guess you could say. But I really like that you get this, so I browse through these. I don't really read them, but I like to look at them. I like to have them too. Take them to work. So now every month it comes perfectly packaged just like this. It has the tissue paper, which I hate ripping, but I'm gonna do it anyways. And then you open it up to reveal your goodies, just like this. So you do get some sample sizes and you do get some full sizes. So I haven't even seen a spoiler for this. So the first thing is, ooh, a brush. So this is a Luxie brush. Ooh, that looks really nice. Look at that right there. So this is the Luxie 737 tapered highlighting brush. Oh, that is pretty. I'm really excited for that. I love Luxie brushes, so I'm really excited. Next, ooh, oh, so this is Ritual's Cream On Nourishing Body Cream, and I cannot tell you how freaking excited I am. This is called the Ritual of the Holy Color Your World with Love. So this is it right here, and if you have ever seen me do like a favorites video, I absolutely love my hand lotion that I got from in this same subscription box. I'll try and link that somewhere above. Excited because if this is a body cream and it is as nice as that hand cream, oh my gosh. So it doesn't have a seal. Let's just give this a little. It feels very nourishing, very nice actually. And it smells very fresh, so I am super excited. I need a new body lotion actually, so, and that's a decent size considering I spent $20 Canadian. Remember that, $20.50 with shipping. Next thing, this is something I know I won't use, and that's okay because it will go into a donation pile or a giveaway. This is by James Reed. This is Self Tan 1 Hour Tan Glow Face Mask. Maybe I will keep this. Maybe I'll keep this for the winter. As you can tell right now, I do not need any more tan, so maybe I'll hold on to it. Next up, ooh, a sheet mask. So this is by Natura. This is herb infused sheet mask. So it says it's for blemish control and it rebalances your complexion. It says it's vegan and it's packed with superfood ingredients. So that's it right there. I've never even heard of this brand, so I'm really excited. If you are new here, I do face masks once a week. I try and do a live. Right now it's the summer months, so I'm not as consistent as I used to, but come September I do face masks every single week on this channel, so get ready for that. And then there's two more items, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This Oh, this is so cute. So like I said, it's usually skincare, but there can be makeup items. And this month we have Bella Pierre Cosmetics Heat Wave Highlighting Palette. So that is gorgeous. So that explains why there was a highlighting brush. So I know I should wash this brush first, and I don't ever usually do a try on, but I'm going to right now in the spirit of fun. So there are 5 different shades. You could use these as eyeshadows, highlights. I can tell you, I'm just going to take this first one. It's kind of a rose gold color. We're just going to see how it works with this brush. I'm going to take that on the high points of my cheekbones. That is pretty. I will definitely be testing this. Let's put a little bit more on the other side, shall we? This is just about the cutest highlighting palette I think I've ever seen because, okay, this is my other thing. When I buy highlighters, like you buy like big pans, who the heck uses that much? I've never used a highlighter. I could never, oh my gosh. The pigment on this is crazy. What? That's amazing. So, my 5 look fantastic. This is cool. And there's one more item in here. Yay! So I'm so excited. So this is, oh my gosh, it's a lip stain. Oh my gosh, I'm too excited right now. Look at that. If I wasn't wearing a lipstick that doesn't come off, I would put this on. This is by Dolce. I want to say Dolce. I could be wrong. I don't know what it is. And this is their Luscious Lip Stain in the shade Holiday Getaway. So that's really cool. So I'm just going to quickly recap all the items that we got, and then I'm going to tell you what I think of this box. So we did receive a lip stain, so I cannot wait to try this. Let's just give it a swatch. That's super pretty. It's kind of like corally. I'm really excited to try that. Just a basic doe foot applicator, so that's item number 1. Item number 2 is this self-tanning. It's like a glow mask. I'm going to read into it. I have the information here. I might hold on to this and give it a try in the winter months. We also have this Rituals body cream, which I'm so freaking excited for. I got a brush from Luxie, a highlighting brush, which I already used, and it was freaking nice. And we also received a highlighting palette from Bella Pierre, which, by the way, wow, that's already 5 items. So then there's a 6th item, which is this face mask. So I'm really excited. Honestly, 6 items cost me $20.50 Canadian, which, by the way, it's always more in Canada just because of the exchange rate. And I love this brush right here. Like, do you see that? Like, it's like the perfect brush to hold. So all in all, I am super pumped about this month. This is one of my favorite subscription boxes. And this is like one of those months where I'm like, yes, this is why I fell in love with it. So good job, Look Fantastic. Keep it up. If you guys want any more information, I will link them down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure if you haven't already subscribed